Welcome to YOUCANIC. If you have a Mercedes where the hood no longer stays up, or as soon as you raise it, it just falls down, the reason is because you have weak hood struts. Some Mercedes will have two, like we do in this case, and some will have only one. But if you do replace them, it's recommended to replace them in pairs. Now, in the meantime, until you get this hood fixed, until you get these replaced, we have a tip for you, and let me show that first. Replacing these, by the way, is very easy and takes like 5 minutes. But let's say you don't have the new hood struts yet, but you still need to work or check the fluids. What you can do in the Mercedes, they have this release here, and what that does, it allows you to lift the hood all the way up. Okay. And when you hear that click, now you can bring the hood back down, and now it's locked by this right here, so this hood is not going to fall on you while you work on the car. All models have this. Some, like the S-Class, they have a pin here that you press on that. They don't have these kind of struts, but you can still open and secure the hood up. So here's the thing. Now, to do this job, you'll need 2 people. It's highly recommended because you don't want to be taking this off and then have the hood fall and injure, cut your fingers. So to remove this, what you need is a flathead screwdriver. Just insert in this C-cup right here, and then pull this away from that bolt joint. And then we're lifting that up. Again, it's really helpful to have somebody hold this and secure this hood open while you do this. And then same thing on the bottom. We insert the screwdriver and we just pull this away. Okay, to reinstall it, all you have to do is take the new one. In this case, we're reinstalling the old one, and it's still working fine. Take this, and then do the same thing up here. You simply just press it, line it up, and just press it in, and that's it. It's very simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching.